Welcome back. We're here looking at the cryptocurrency market. This is going to be my daily forecast for Monday, August 2nd, 2021. If you like to support the channel, you want to hit the subscribe button down in the corner, hit the like button, the bell button to see our new videos, and we'll start by looking at Bitcoin. And as you can see, we have basically broken through 40K and are trading at 42K at this current stage. We did get rejected here, basically at the top of the Bollinger Band, and kind of looks like we're leveling off now. But this market has absolutely been relentless since we tested 30K down here. And since then, we have basically been rallying. This kind of all started by rumor that Amazon was going to accept Bitcoin. Doesn't really make any sense, and has kind of been debunked since then. But this market relies on rumors. It completely rallies every single time a famous person says anything good about this market, or a famous company says something about this market, and so on. But probably the reason why we are finding resistance at this point is because this is where we find the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement right around here. And that's where we basically pull back. So from a technical standpoint, usually it doesn't mean that much. Usually this is not a very strong resistance, but it is pulling back at this point. We also have the 200 moving average just above, but the real test is up here at the 46K, which is the 50, and then the 61.8 up here at 50K. So if we were to get to those points, then we should that should offer quite a lot of resistance, and breaking through those, then it is very likely that we'll go back to the all-time highs. I just don't have much faith in this market at this point, as it looks like if you go back into the past, we can go back to what basically happened back in 2017 is basically here. We had this massive rally, giant hockey stick. Then it lost half of its value in roughly a few weeks. And then we had a massive bounce. And it very similar, if you look at Fibonacci retracements for this, that we ran into the same Fibonacci retracements at 38.2 before continuing going down. And it had several of these bounces before hitting the 200 moving average down here at the very bottom, roughly at $3,000. So we went from 20,000, which is minuscule at this point. That's basically what it rallies in a few in a weekend, but it fell from 20K all the way down to 3K. And yes, it can't really drop at one point. It will be significantly oversold at that stage, and then before it basically see these rallies. But it looks very similar to what we saw back in 2017, 2018, or beginning of 2018. And after this rally here, it fell back towards this support, rallied yet again, fell down, and then just continue falling down towards the very bottom of it, which was roughly 3K. So we can see the similar here. Massive fall towards support, rally up towards the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, and we could see resistance here, and then dropping back down and going towards 25 and probably to 20K. But at this current stage, if we look at what would happen here, then we should be dropping down all the way down to 200 moving average in the long run, which is at 14K, give or take. But that will be the next few months and not next few days. So let's look at Ethereum. So Ethereum is significantly overstretched at this point. So we are overbought outside of the Bollinger Band, and we could be pulling back when the market opens on Monday. If you look at Fibonacci retracements for this market, we can see that we are also hitting the same 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, and yes, this should offer quite a lot of resistance, as we are significantly overstretched and overbought. But other technical indicators are very bullish. We have been rallying since the very bottom here of 1670, and now we're trading at 2,642. So if we manage to break through this level, then the next target is 3,000, and then we go to 3,300, and then 4,000 and beyond that. Don't really think that we're going to go past this level here, as we saw that was massive resistance in the past. The area between roughly 2,700 to 3,000 should be significant resistance for this market. And if Bitcoin falls apart, then this most definitely will follow as well. So, hope you found this helpful. You're welcome to support our job is subscribe and hit the like button and the bell button to see our new videos, and good luck and thank you very much.